AutoDS Review and Shopify Beginner's Guide. My name is Elias, and in this video we're going to take a look at the dropshipping automation tool AutoDS. As you can see right here, start and grow your dropshipping business with AutoDS. Now in this video we're actually going to take a look at AutoDS, and I'm going to list you all of the pros and cons of the dropshipping automation tool, and I'm also going to give you a quick introduction and a beginner's guide on how to actually use AutoDS for Shopify. Now to get started with, AutoDS basically has a variety of different useful features that should make dropshipping easier for you. As you can see right here, they first of all have an AutoDS marketplace where you can discover and import trending dropshipping products. So this will basically kind of work as a winning product section. Then you can also find winning products using the products hub. You can also import all of these products within one click to Shopify or to any of the other integrations that they offer. However, in this video, we're actually going to take a look at Shopify. As you can see right here under integrations, they actually also accept WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, as well as Wix. But for this video, we're going to take a look at Shopify. Then they also have price and stock monitoring for the products, as well as inventory management. And actually AutoDS will allow you to automatically manage all of your orders, returns and customer messages within AutoDS. They also have automated tracking number updates as well as automatic price optimization. Now to get started with, first of all I want to show you guys the fulfilled by AutoDS features. This is definitely one of the most useful features that they offer in my opinion. So basically using the AutoDS integration you can just import all kind of sorts of different products from all US suppliers, so basically Amazon, Home Depot, AliExpress, Walmart and also some more, and you can just import these products onto AutoDS, and AutoDS will then do all of the fulfillment for you. So you don't have to manually go to AliExpress and you don't have to manually order everything. Basically you can just do it within one click using AutoDS, and as you can see your accounts basically won't get locked, because obviously not with AliExpress but with other providers such as Amazon and Home Depot, it could actually sometimes be the case that your accounts are going to be locked, and basically you won't have unlimited cash flow, one-click returns. Basically you're going to save a lot of time using this fulfilled by AutoDS service right here. Now they also have the winning products hub right here, which I think is pretty useful. Not all of these products are going to be winning products, but still it kind of gets you an idea on what is working and what not. As you can see, you can also have a variety of different regions. So for example, Germany, United Kingdom, Canada, Italia, as well as the US obviously. And basically you can do some product analysis using AutoDS and using the features. Now when it comes to the suppliers, you have a lot of options. As you can see, these are all of the companies that actually are currently working in collaboration with AutoDS. So for example, let's say that if you're in the US, you will just have to tick USA right here, and then you can see all of the US products. If you're in Germany, for example, you can see, okay, for Germany there is Amazon, eBay, Costway and DHgate. If you're in Belgium, for example, then you have these two options, and so on. Now AutoDS also has astonishing Trustpilot results. As you can see, they have 4.8, which is excellent, which is a very good rating. Now when it comes to the pricing, AutoDS will actually give you guys kind of a free trial plan. So basically for $1 you can try AutoDS for 1 month, I think, and I will leave you the link for that down below. And basically you have all kind of sorts of different options, and depending on which provider and which integration you're going to use, you will have to pay more or less. Now obviously for this video we're actually going to use Shopify right here, and then you will basically have 3 different options. First of all, you have import 200, and basically the number right here just stands for how much products you can import onto AutoDS and onto your store. So as you can see, for the import 200, for the cheapest plan, you will get 200 imported product research tools, draft managers, order managers, products manager, product image editors, product variation support, smart filter system, and also the extension for one-click drafts, as well as full business dashboard, 24/7 support, and all of the supported suppliers which we've discovered beforehand. Now as for the Starter 500 plan, you're going to get all of the features that you have right here on the left, and on top of that you're going to get the full product editor, bulk product importer, automated order supported. So basically you can automate everything with the normal plan, with the import 200 plan. It is also super fast to fulfill all of your orders. However, it's still not 100% automated. You will only get that feature if you're going to go for the starter 500 plan. Now you're also going to get fulfilled by AutoDS service, as well as automated tracking updates, copy and paste extensions for shipping addresses, the smart pricing rule system, advanced bulk changes, product builders, as well as a full Shopify dropshipping course. And for the advanced 1000 plan, you're going to get all of the features on the left right here, as well as import and price stock monitors, as well as multiple store management. So basically you can add up to 3 stores and VIP support. Now once again, link for that is going to be down below. And if you're actually going to go for the annual option, you can save some money. Now we'll just go with the Starter 500 plan. And once you've successfully bought the trial, you can click right here on Add Store, and then you're going to be redirected to the Shopify App Store. And right here, you will just have to click on Add App. And by then clicking on Install App on the top right, we can then add the AutoDS app to our Shopify shop basically. And now it is going to load. And now you can also download the Chrome extension to instantly dropship all of the products and to instantly import them, which I'm not going to do right now. And as you can see, this is how the AutoDS dashboard is going to look like. Right here on the left, you have the marketplace with the winning products, as well as the TikTok ad spy, which you can access by buying the product finding hub add-on for $7. Now as for the dashboard, right here, usually your orders and your total revenue is going to show up. And for the orders tab, right here you can then fulfill everything the way you want to. Right here you can also set up auto order credits. And for the products, you can then just add your products onto this page. So let's, for example, say that we want to import this as a draft. And as you can see, now we will just have to put in all of the variants, all of the descriptions. And if we now are going to save and import, it is actually going to be imported to our Shopify store, as you can see right here. So if you're now going to go to our Shopify products tab, and if we're going to refresh this, we can see that this product from AutoDS instantly got integrated and instantly got imported onto our Shopify store. Now we can also head over to the customer support as well as for the academy. So basically right here you're going to get a bunch of different Shopify courses and dropshipping courses, which can be really useful if you are a beginner. However, I'm not going to cover that right now. Now, in my opinion, AutoDS is one of the best all-in-one dropshipping solutions. So if you want to go for a plan, I will leave you the link down below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, if you have any more questions, you can always leave them in the comments down below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible.